Hey guys, it's Cody with Home to Homestead, and man, it is gray and nasty out today. Oh, there are the geese. Here they come. I guess they think I've got food for them, but you can hear them. They kind of have started thinking they can honk now, so that's what that little ha sound is. But anyways, guys, I got a super cool product for you today. Not everything on the homestead is glamorous. We all know that, right? And one of the biggest part of things on the homestead where they have to deal with is if you got animals, you got poop. So I've got a product for you today that I'm gonna show you that is super cool, and I've really enjoyed it, and it doesn't cost much money, but it's really handy, and it's been really sturdy. It's really held up. So anyways, guys, let's get to it. All right, guys, so today the product I got for you is the Heeyoo, and I'm gonna spell that real quick because I may be pronouncing it wrong. So it's Heeyoo. It is the pooper scooper, rake, and the little like tray set that comes with it. So I've got the rake broke down to 4 pieces. I'm just gonna show you how easy the assembly is. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna have some footage of me using the rake here in this corner. And so we can go ahead and go through all this, and you can see me using it in the process. But yeah, it's a super easy rake to put together. So let's go ahead and knock that out. And assembly is really easy. It's the same way for the tray assembly too, but I'm just gonna do the rake because it's a little easier. So it does have a little bit of an order that it has to go in, but it's not hard. So you see the little red blocker piece here? That's gonna go into your rake. So all you do to connect the pieces is these little silver tabs here. You push them in, and you'll hear a little click. Oh, that one didn't click, but you get it. And then you find the next piece, push the tabs in again. There's the click that time. And then finally, the end here. Cool. And that's how easy it is. So it's super simple to break down. And I've got the tray right here. So all of it goes together, and it's even got a little storage clip if you want to put them together so you can carry them in one piece. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Nothing super crazy about it. It's just a pooper scooper, nice little rake, and I thought it was a good product, so I figured I'd recommend it to you guys. Overall, cleanliness on the homestead is super important, and the more we keep it clean, we keep our animals healthy, we minimize that risk of the animals getting sick, or even us getting sick. You don't want that cross-contamination going on. So policing that is very important. But anyways, guys, if you found this video helpful, or maybe it showed you something that you didn't know you needed, or gave you an idea for a product that can help you out, please drop that like and subscribe. It helps our channel out a lot more than you know. Even liking the video gets us out in front of more people than we normally wouldn't get out in front of. But thank you so much for being here today. And this has been Cody with Home to Homestead. Out here.